Hello and welcome in this last lecture about the topic microbes viruses. Myself Dr. Ajay Nalode. In previous lecture we have studied the harmful activities of the viruses and their economic importance. So today in this lecture we will study about the useful activities and their role in the economic importance of these microbes viruses. So let us see the useful activities of these viruses one by one. So regarding these useful activities in Marathi we will call it as काट्याने काटा काढणे. So how we will see how this particular sentence apply on this particular viruses and the how it shows the useful activities in this particular economic importance. So let us see one by one the production of antidotes or vaccine. So all of we are waiting for the vaccine against the COVID-19. So how this particular production of antidotes or vaccine, how it occurs, let us see. The human diseases such as mumps, pox, jaundice, polio can be controlled by introducing or penetrating dead virus. This particular word is important, that is dead virus. This particular dead virus in human body as a vaccine, that means काट्याने काटा काढणे. Thus different vaccines can be prepared and may be used for controlling viral diseases. The viral vaccine center human immunity against infection with pathogenic strain of same virus. Now the second one, that is the viruses are useful in the gene therapy. It is the introduction of functional gene into human cell in order to correct a defective gene by replacing them is known as gene therapy. The healthy gene, this particular picture we will see that this particular picture in which healthy gene is inserted into the virus and virus acts as the vector to transfer this particular healthy gene into the human body. In such situation viral gene can be exploited. So this particular gene therapy, how viruses are useful, that we have seen. Then the third important application is or useful activity by the viruses is cancer therapy. In cancer therapy viruses can be used to prevent cancer by introducing anti-cancerous vaccines. For example, vaccine against the hepatitis B virus which causes liver cancer and papilloma virus causes cervical cancer. Such vaccines are available commercially. Then the fourth important useful activity by the viruses is the bacteriophage therapy. Bacteriophage we have seen already. The viruses which eats the bacteria are called bacteriophages and these are used in the therapy. This involves use of bacteriophage for the control or destruction of pathogenic bacteria. T2 bacteriophage, this particular structure of T2 bacteriophage virus can save humans from dysentery by spoiling sonic harmful bacteria. Similarly, this therapy is successful in treating staphylococcal and Escherichia coli infection and may appear to be good promising. Then the next important useful activity is these particular viruses are used in controlling harmful animals and insects. Several insects and animals which are harmful to man can be easily controlled by using special virus strains. Then the viruses based diagnosis. At present, viruses play an important role or important diagnostic procedure in different fields of biological sciences such as molecular biology, immunology, biotechnology, genetic engineering, microbiology, nanotechnology, and etc. Many more branches are in which the viruses are used for the diagnosis. Now we will see the role of the viruses in particularly the research area. In 21st century, viruses have been extensively used for the research purpose. They are used as a vector or vehicle in the recombinant DNA technology procedures because of their ability to introduce its contents, that is genes, into the host cells. For example, the bacteriophages are commonly exploited as viral vectors in genetic engineering. Similarly, lambda-phages and M13 phages are most commonly used. Viruses as biopesticides. Viruses which are selectively kill certain pests of the crop plants, hence used as a viral biopesticides. They are used to destroy the pests of the agricultural, horticultural and forest crops. The different viruses are granulosis viruses, nuclear polyhedrosis viruses and non-occluded baculovirus or cytoplasmic polyhedrovirus. In India, sugarcane shoot borer, that is Chilo injuscatalus, is controlled by spraying granulosis virus suspension. This virus NPV is used against Spodoptera lyras, a severe pest of cotton. It is sold in the trade name Biotrol VSE. So these are the particular uses of viruses as the biopesticides to kill many harmful pests or insects which are harmful to the crop plants or specifically any the plants. Now this particular useful activity can be give evidence that coronavirus or COVID-19 is may be a genetically engineered virus. So these useful activity, that is genetically engineered viruses, that means we can prepare or engineer a particular viruses by using some genetic modifications. A toxin encoding gene from scorpion was isolated by Chowdhury in 1991 and introduced in a backup virus. Such engineered backup virus infects pests and produce scorpion poison inside the pest, and the pest will die very quickly. Again, it is a host specific, so no harm to the other animals and insects. Then the viruses are used in the water pollution to uh, uh, in this particular, the viruses which attack on blue green algae are called cyanophages. These are the particular uh, transmission electron microscopic images of the cyanophages. These are the 4 images of the cyanophages which destroy them. Such cyanophages have been used in some practical uses to control cyanobacteria which form water blooms in the ponds and swimming pools. Now, the last useful activity by the viruses, that is in the evidence of the evolution. These can be used because of the virus contain both the living and non-living characteristics, the trend of evolution and the process of formation of living organism can be traced by the exploiting of viruses. So this is all about the useful activities of the viruses. Now you have get the proper idea about this particular microbes, that is viruses. So this is all about the topic microbes, viruses. Kindly go through the previous videos and lectures which are prepared by me and study the detail about this particular topic microbes, viruses. So with this particular year end, I have completed the unit first in the botany paper number first. So with this, I wish you all a happy new year or happy virus free vaccinated new year 2021. Thank you.